All hooks open.
Copy. Physical separation confirmed.
All hooks open.
Copy. Physical separation confirmed.
All hooks are now open, and Dragon departed the space station at 8:12 with physical separation. You're getting a live view of it inching away now. Dragon undocked at 8:12 while the International Space Station was flying over the Pacific Ocean. And we just got confirmation that the departure burn was nominal.
Dragon separation is confirmed, and Dragon departure burn 0 complete.
Station copies.
The first set of departure burns has been complete, and it was nominal. We're now waiting on the next departure burn, scheduled to occur in about 5 minutes.